Hello students, I Neelam ma'am here going to teach you chapter 5 exponents. My topic is laws of exponents. Okay, here some of the problems are related to only laws of exponents in exercise 5.2. So I'm going to start my topic today. First law is, if p is a rational number and m and n are natural numbers, then p raised to power m into p raised to power n is equal to p raised to power m plus n. In short, we can say when bases are same, base is same, powers are added. When base is same, powers are added. We take base as common and powers are added. Suppose 2 raised to power 5 into 2 raised to power 7. Here base is same, 2 base is same. Then we write base once and powers will be added. 5 plus 7. Okay. We will add powers. Base will be written once. Base is same. Power will be added. Base will be written once. 2 is base here. And powers 5 plus 7 will be added. We will get 2 raised to power 12. 5 plus 7, 2 raised to power 12. In this way, law 2, if p is a rational number and m and n are natural numbers, then p raised to power m divided by p raised to power n. Okay, then powers are subtracted. In case of division, when base are same, in case of division, here division sign is here, when base is same, in case of division, powers are subtracted. Okay, in case of multiplication, when base is same, powers are added. But in case of division, when base is same, powers are subtracted. P raised to power m divided by p raised to power n is equal to p raised to power m minus n. Here, suppose we take this example, 4 raised to power 12 divided by 4 raised to power 7 is equal to 4. Okay, division sign is here, base is same, will be written as common, and division is here, then powers will be subtracted. 12 minus 7, we will get 4 raised to power 5. 4 raised to power 5. Next law is 0 as exponent. If p is a rational number, then p raised to power 0. Any number raised to power 0 is always 1. 100 raised to power 0 is always equal to 1. Means any number, if power is 0, that is equal to 1. 570 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. 9 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Any number raised to power 0 is always equal to 1. Then let's study this law for taking power of power. Okay, taking power of power. If p is a rational number and m and n are natural numbers, then p raised to power m. Okay, it is in bracket, then power of power, outside power is n. Okay, p raised to power m of n, then is equal to p raised to power m multiplied by n. Power of power is multiplied. Okay, power of power is multiplied. We write it as 5 raised to power 3 then of 4 is equal to 5 raised to power 3 multiplied by 4. Power of power. Okay, power of power 3 of 4. 3 of 4 will be multiplied. 3 into 4, 5 raised to power 12. Okay, this is called power of power. Then powers are multiplied. Powers are multiplied. Then law 5, multiplying powers with the same exponent. If p and q are rational numbers and m and is a natural number, then p raised to power m into q raised to power n. P q raised to power m into q raised to power m. Okay, power is same here, base are different. Okay, bases are different, powers are same. Then if power is same, then it is taken as common. Okay, bases will be multiplied. P into q raised to power m. If power is same, base are different, then we multiply base and take power as common. Suppose 2 upon 9 raised to power 5 into 3 raised to power 4. Now law 5, multiplying powers with the same exponent. Okay, if p and q are rational numbers and m is a natural number, then p raised to power m into q raised to power m is equal to p into q, and power is taken as common. Okay, because power is same, bases are different, we just multiply base and take power as common, p into q raised to power m. Suppose I take this example here, 2 upon 9 raised to power 5 into 3 upon 4 raised to power 5. Here power is same but bases are different. Power is same. Then I will just multiply both of the bases in bracket here. 2 upon 9 into 3 upon 4 raised to power 5. Because power is same, power will be taken as common. Okay, then when I will simplify with the highest common factor, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, I will get 1 upon 6 raised to power 5. In short, we can say when bases are different but power is same, then bases are multiplied, then power is taken as common. In this way, we'll solve problems based on law number 5. Then comes law number 6. Dividing powers with the same exponent. That topic for law of 6 law is dividing powers with the same exponent. If p and q are rational numbers and m is a natural number, then p raised to power m divided by q raised to power m, okay, is equal to p upon q raised to power m. Okay, power is same. In case of division, we write p divided by q raised to power m. Power is taken as common. This m is with p raised to power m and q raised to power m actually. For example, 5 raised to power 7 divided by 8 raised to power 7. Here power is same. 5 divided by 8 can be written as 5 divided by 8. 5 divided by 8 can be written as 5 divided by 8. And power is same. It will be taken as common. In complete bracket, we take it as in complete bracket here. Okay. 5 upon 8 raised to power 7. Then comes reciprocal of a rational number. The reciprocal of p is p raised to power minus 1 or 1 upon p. Okay. For example, 2. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. Okay. और we can write 1 upon 2 को हम लिख सकते हैं 1 upon 2. अगर 2 के पावर कुछ नहीं है वो 1 मानी जाती है. ओके. अगर 2 की पावर कुछ भी नहीं है वो हमेशा 1 होती है. ओके. यहाँ इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 2. जब ये ऊपर लेके आएंगे इसको न्यूमरेटर में, तो 2 की पावर जो पावर हो जाती है वो क्या हो जाती है, नेगेटिव हो जाती है. पावर क्या हो जाती है, नेगेटिव. ओके. जब 3 की पावर -2 है तो इसको 1 upon 3 की पावर पॉजिटिव हो जाती है. ओके. जब 3 की पावर -2 है तो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 1 upon 3 raised to power 2. और रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 4 upon 5 इज 4 upon 5 जस्ट पावर को नेगेटिव कर दिया जाता है. और इसका उल्टा भी ले सकते हो आप. उल्टा रेसिप्रोकल 4 upon 5 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा, 5 upon 4. यहाँ आप लिख सकते हो इसी की पावर को नेगेटिव बना देते हैं. 4 upon 5 raised to power -5. Thank you. You will solve exercise 5.2 based on laws of exponents.